Even as fall arrives and temperatures begin to cool, it doesn't mean you can stop with your lawn maintenance. Annual weeds like chickweed, clover, annual bluegrass, also known as Poa annua, and many others will take over a lawn in winter. But we can get a head start on our herbicide treatments and lay down a pre-emergent herbicide during fall. So in this video, we'll go over the basics of fall pre-emergent herbicides so your lawn can stay weed-free through spring. For the products featured in this video and to learn even more about pre-emergent herbicides, click the icon on the top right of the screen or click the links in the description below. A pre-emergent herbicide is an herbicide used to prevent weeds from germinating when temperatures are ideal for weed growth. The key word here is prevent. It will not kill weeds that have already popped up, it just prevents them from growing. That means timing is essential. You'll want to place down your pre-emergent herbicide before the temperature becomes ideal for winter weed development. A pre-emergent herbicide works by penetrating the top couple inches of soil, creating a protective barrier. Keep in mind that because pre-emergent herbicides prevent weed seeds from germinating, they are typically not effective for perennial weed control. A perennial weed, like dandelion or nutsedge, has established roots beneath the soil, which will withstand pre-emergent herbicide applications. If you're wondering what type of pre-emergent do I need, then that will depend on your grass type and which weeds you're trying to control. If you don't know which weeds you have, you may want to get a pre-emergent herbicide with a broad label. Just make sure your grass is listed on the label so you don't damage your turf grass. Remember, when applying pre-emergent herbicides, timing is everything. Your application timing will depend on your region's climate and which grass type you have. Your application window will typically fall between September and November when soil temperatures are between 50 and 70 degrees Fahrenheit. You can check your soil's temperature by using a soil thermometer. Insert the thermometer 3 to 4 inches into the ground and check the reading. A helpful tip is to use a screwdriver or a dowel to create a pilot hole for easier insertion and stop the risk of breaking the thermometer's probe. For most fall pre-emergent applications, we recommend Barricade granular herbicide. Barricade is labeled to prevent many types of grassy and broadleaf weeds on a variety of grasses and uses Prodiamine as its active ingredient, making it an effective pre-emergent herbicide. Using a granular product like Barricade is typically an easier option for small to average-sized lawns and can be used at a rate of 1.5 to 4 pounds per 1,000 square feet depending on your grass type. For larger spaces, you can use Prodiamine 65WDG or Dithiopyr 40WSB. These are great professional-grade pre-emergent herbicides that make treating larger areas easier and economical because they can be mixed and applied with water. During and after application, you'll want to make sure that enough water is used to push your pre-emergent down so that it can penetrate the soil. It'll do you no good to leave it sitting on top of the turf grass. Remember to apply your pre-emergent herbicide from September to November once your soil temperature drops below 70 degrees, and if you've applied correctly, you should prevent weed germination for up to 6 months. If you've already found some weeds pop up, then you'll need to use a post-emergent herbicide. While winter brings different weeds with different considerations, we can lay down fall pre-emergents to take early steps towards control. With these professional products and tips from Solutions Pest and Lawn, you can stop winter annual weeds from taking root, and we offer same-day shipping to help you get control quickly. Visit our website to get your products today. If you like this how-to guide, please share. And if you're new to our channel, subscribe for more how-to and product videos, and contact us for more tips, tricks, and DIY pest solutions.